We got a game coming up, Leaky.
Chicken head. Bark, bark, chicken head.
All right, this game is about trying not to make noise. Each of you has a chicken head that makes a lot of noise if you let air out through it, so give us a demo.
But okay. You can't give me that power. It's game over.
All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to have 2 rounds. There's going to be a pain round and a laugh round. We'll have a tiebreaker if we need one.
You know what I want to see? I want to see a Leaky's Amazon search history.
Oh, yeah, it's about to be crazy, all the stuff.
Jeff Bezos is like, oh.
Well, we actually know exactly what it is. Because it's all over the
what's on the cutting list of that, though?
Yeah. Yeah, that's true.
I interrupted you. Go ahead.
So, we're going to go back and forth in each round. And your objective, when it's your turn, is to try to get the other person to make noise.
Okay.
We're going to go back and forth until someone makes noise. Once that happens, that person's lost a round.
Bet.
Like I said, it's going to be a pain round and a laugh round. So with that said, we're going to start off with the pain round. So what you're going to do, roll up your sleeve, Nate. You're going to take those rubber bands, put them on the top of your forearm.
On the top of
like towards your elbow.
On it. Got it.
I feel like I'm getting my blood pressure checked. Like right here? Oh, what I put this sleeve up there for?
This is about as high as my sleeve's going.
Alrighty then.
And then put your chickens in your mouths.
All right.
Wait, we gotta snap these on each other?
And you're gonna.
Yo, let's start soft. Don't ramp it up.
Okay. Wait, who goes first?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Well, can we pick another game like chess? He went. He's just like a luck king.
I know.
That doesn't count. He laughed. If you're listening right now, what we're doing is we're snapping rubber bands on each other. So if we hear any noises,
this is the pain round.
Okay. Third round.
Bro, why'd you move it down my...
You did that, bro. Oh, go on. Oh.
Oh, bro, you good? You got trauma from rubber bands?
Yo, actually that hurt.
Aliki, how do you come up with this goofiness, bro?
You guys just tied the first round.
All right, second round, last round. I got you on this.
Damn, bro. Yo, hold up. Show the camera's got to see this joint.
Oofy.
David snapped me, bro.
Oh.
You guys tied on the first round, so now we're going to move on to the laugh round.
All right.
And if you guys tie on this round, we're going to sudden death.
Okay. We gotta make it.
So now you have to go back and forth trying to make each other laugh. We're going to let David go first this time.
Okay.
We gotta make each other laugh. And I'm going first?
Mm-hmm. No, you don't have to have that in.
I don't have to have this in. Perfect.
You can talk, you can move, whatever you want to do. Make noises.
Trey and Kayla.
Okay, Nate.
Oh, he didn't laugh? Dude, I'm not going to win this.
I heard some chest fluctuation.
I tried to hold it in.
I got it. All right, chicken in mouth. Now.
Banana.
Nope, David.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. I'm not taking an L on this one, bro.
What was all that, dude? What was all that dust that just flew up from your back?
Was some dust came on my back?
Hair and dust, bro. You got dog hair or something?
Oh, I guess so. Maybe so. You know, I got dogs.
Your boy haired up. Look, you got hair all over you.
You get one more chance.
Oh,
That's
dude.
on the road.
How do I make David laugh?
Oh, you get one more chance? Oh, you ain't got this, bro.
What the fuck?
It's like, bro, what are you going through? What are you going through to scream that? But that definitely peaked. Was that? How was that?
That definitely peaked.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Oh, that's so funny.
Yo, my scream.
Oh, is that a tie?
What's the sudden death?
Now that you guys tied, we're gonna go sudden death. And we're just gonna see who can hold
In one
sound the longest.
in one breath?
In one breath.
Oh, the audio listeners are gonna love this,
the
dude.
audio listeners are hating it now, but
Hold on, I gotta do
I feel
the.
like there's a
hold on,
dis-
I gotta do the David Blaine
disintegrate.
technique, the Wim Hof method.
I don't think I've seen that part of the David Blaine show. We went.
No, I don't think he did that. Are you ready?
All right, you got vocal practice from being a rapper. I feel like this is easy cake. So wait, we taking a deep breath?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Ready?
Yeah. I breathe, dude. You cooked me.
See that execution and fatality?
Bro, that laugh in the middle of mine where it broke, like,
Is that what you laughing?
huh?
Is that you laughing?
I laughed.
Oh.
I laughed and I
thought
lost
you
a
started
lot of
convulsing.
air.
started laughing. You
And then I wanted to air in.
That might be the dumbest game we've ever
Well,
done.
hey, you know,
All right, so
Turn up a
what's the-
hop in it.
a dumb game for dumb people.
Oh, what was the punishment again?
Okay, the punishment is for the remainder of the episode, anytime the winner coughs, the loser has to confess their inferiority to the winner.
That's easy. David makes me do that anyway.
Wow.
Okay.
You made me
Sounds
do
good.
that when you made our lawyers
I
give me
do that.
5% of the company.
I got you, bro. Easy. Thank you for that. I mean, I'm used to doing that anyway, so apparently.
All right. Well, damn. Actually, this was funny.
I got you.
I didn't. Huh?
I'll throw it over here.
David, you caught that in such a masculine way. Like, I wish I could be anywhere near your level
Stop,
of
dude.
masculinity.
Stop it. Stop it.
All right.
You're being too nice.
Okay.
All
Good.
right.
Good.
Yeah, baby, need top 5 when I'm done going mental. Yeah, I'm locked in, you can peep my condition, man, the lab all winter. All summer, yeah, I went dumb.